YouTube, Ralph here again. I'm doing another contributors video. This would be for a woman who gave quite a few items that she said she used to use for work, and work just never wanted them back. Her name was Joy, and to be honest, these things are absolutely ridiculously good, the quality of them. To start off, give me boxes of stuff. Start at the beginning with literally a box. Okay, fine, nothing much apart from it's a Canon bubble jet printer, but it's extra things that come with a lot of these things. I like, what the hell is that? Oh, it's like a battery for it. Actually, what isn't the battery? Two batteries for it? Ooh, okay. I've been through these for these a little while. I've never actually noticed that, but yeah. Again, I posted on Free Eagle for this, and said, anybody got any old computer equipment? They're just not needing. She came straight away. Yes, I've got these little laptops, these computers, if you want them. Put them down, pick them up. Second half, I showed this my first video a little bit. It's a ridiculously tiny laptop. I can't, for the life of me, find bloody name. Oh, here we go. AMN 2000. It doesn't help me at all. But it was just states an Ambra, AMBRA. No idea if any of these work. These would have been flat quite a while ago. But a little bit yellowing on the top. Lovely compartment on the back for just covering over all the stuff that you don't actually need. Pain in the arse when you actually do use one and then show everything else, but that. I love stripping these down. That's obviously the battery anyway. Love stripping these down. The box for that, there's two other boxes inside it. I have no idea what they are. Probably a power supply and a battery, but that would actually mean I have got an idea what it is. Okay. The bag as well. Amber and tutorial. Mouse mat. Bra. Look, it's not man bra. Could have been a bit embarrassing. Instructions for it. Tech reference. DOS 5.0 user guide. I think I know a couple of people online who actually wouldn't mind that. User's guide for 3.1. Buy the discs for this. So that actually could be a 3.1 machine. That's two she gave me. Third one, I think I showed this one, the first video, the Canon. The original sealed in instructions. Canon Type Star 80. Such a good keyboard. Really good. Maybe a little bit too small. I think the display there comes up with a line for, then it will print off, obviously just a glorified typewriter really, but the possibility you could code. I can't get code. No, it's either that. Ribbon code plus R, whatever that means. Don't know, but I'm fun finding out. A little bit mucky on there, tape's been on it, nothing I can't strip off. This is absolutely ridiculous. There's a leather case, nothing special, nothing fancy. Velcroed in. This is portable word processor WP2 by Tandy. And I remember Tandy growing up. Always used to have electrical store. Nicking there like she's caught it on something, but hell? This is just a date on this. Canadian. Okay, maybe not that handy then. Anybody could. Oh, and there's some reason. Reflection. 200 milliamp battery. Oh, yeah. So it takes small batteries. So trying to find a power supply for it. Expansion card. Cassette. Oh my god. Is this that old? Really must dig into this. Never know. Yeah. I'll have fun with that one. Lovely colour on that. It's an amazing colour. Absolutely. As the button doesn't have alternative on it or something like that. F1, F2. Yeah. Now we've got a bit more than that. Yeah. Big thanks to Joy. Massive thanks to Joy for not throwing these away. Not giving them back to work, to be honest. Would have been a bit of a downer on this channel. Yeah. Yeah, that's about it. Right, if you enjoyed this, if you could like, subscribe, share and comment. Maybe add some money on Patreon. To add some more content, get some more stuff. And yes, thank you very much for watching.